Here we've got Motorola Moto G100, and let me show you how to manage text-to-speech feature. So first of all, click on Settings icon, then find and pick System, and go to Languages and Input. Then click on Advanced to enroll it, and select Text-to-Speech Output. And right here you can manage this feature. So at first you can change the language right here. And then you can change speech rate, and pitch. So let me leave it this way, tap on play.
Voici un échantillon de synthèse vocale en français.
Then you can also change it this way.
Voici un échantillon de synthèse vocale en français.
And obviously, whenever you want, you can go back to default values by tapping on Reset.
Voici un échantillon de synthèse vocale en français.
And that's it. So this is how you can manage text-to-speech output. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.